Neighbors, what's good? She got DJ Neighborhood, and my guy just went and got this goddamn K5. But yeah, we can head to the other end of the neighborhood. But first, the Tomei done. It's always something, man. But so what we're gonna do is run back to the spot, run back to the neighborhood, put these boats on the Tomei. Then we're gonna hit the road because we gotta be down there by 9, 8:30. So we're gonna get down there. We got some races going on. He might be racing this tonight. I don't know. But we racing the Z against some people on the other side of the neighborhood. But we're gonna tell y'all about that when we get there. Stay tuned.
You don't even know them.
Listen, if they want me to come down there, they got to know something. So get what? Going to the other end of the neighborhood, and we gonna race.
Nah, fuck that. Motherfucker in my neighborhood now, goddamn. I'm in Hasbury, Mississippi. Shit.
Okay, so now I got these boats to put on the Tomei. As of right now, I hit some and it's hanging. So what I gotta do is put these on. I'm gonna crank it up and let you see how it sounds. It sounds good, but it's not safe. I don't want to be driving fast and my ass come from up under me, goddamn it. So it got it, and it should sound like that. It do sound good, I ain't gonna lie, but it shouldn't. So we gonna get up on fucking Mustang. I'm missing a bolt in that one and right here, but they put it in here and it was hanging low. It was scraping right here. Shit fucking sucks, bro. Yeah, scraping right here. I missed that bolt up there. Put one in there. That one up there. Now I'm gonna crank it up and show you how it's supposed to sound. It still sounds good, but just not as good. So now that's how it's supposed to sound. And it ain't got no rattling, nothing like that. But Tomei is, I ain't gonna say it's ass, because I knew what I was getting into before I bought it. But yeah, I gotta get rid of this. I'm gonna get Motordyne, but yeah, stay tuned. We finna hit the road. Alright, neighbor, so we just touched down in the other part of the neighborhood. We got the Z out here, got the Kid, got the Stain, got the Mero, the other Stain, and that thing right there, that thing look good. The races you got going tonight is gonna be Z and the Mero and the Mustang. I'm not sure if we're right here racing, but yeah, sure. We're gonna head over to the spot in New Mexico. When we get there, I'm gonna take y'all there, and that's it. I ain't even asked them, boy, what we do when the police pull up. Cause at one time, we gonna do everything to get up after this motherfucker. We feel me? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Motherfucker out here. So we just finished up the racing with I'm gonna insert the clip. I got some side racing, other stuff. It was me and the Mero, my guy in the Mustang versus another V6 Mustang, but I mean, nah, he was in the Camaro too. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I'm gonna wrap it up and throw the videos up. Angle might be different, camera might look kind of funny, but bear with me. But yes, sir, we done with this. We finna hit the road and get back to our side of town. That's it.